What's going on, everyone? Charlie here. We have an important update to talk about regarding the PCAOB, which stands for the Public Company Accounting Oversight Board. They have proposed a rule back in May of this year. It is the amendment to the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act. It's Rule 6100. And basically, it's going to establish a framework for the PCAOB and their determinations under the Holding Foreign Companies Accountable Act that the PCAOB is unable to inspect or investigate completely registered public accounting firms located in a foreign jurisdiction because of a position taken by an authority in that jurisdiction. Gary Gensler says, quote, "This is an important step to protect U.S. investors," unquote. And then again, quote, "I believe it is critical that the Commission and the PCAOB work together to ensure that the auditors of foreign companies accessing U.S. capital markets play by the same rules. The Commission adopted interim final rules to implement its required rulemaking under the HFCAA earlier this year. We remain on track to finalize those rules before the end of the year." Now, the Sarbanes-Oxley Act of 2002 mandates that the PCAOB inspect registered public accounting firms both in the U.S. and in foreign jurisdictions and investigate potential statutory rule and professional standards violations committed by registered public accounting firms and their associated persons. The HFCAA requires that the PCAOB determine whether it is unable to inspect or investigate completely registered public accounting firms located in a foreign jurisdiction because of a position taken by an authority in that jurisdiction. Now, Rule 6100 establishes the process for the PCAOB's determinations under the HFCAA, the factors the PCAOB will evaluate, and the documents and information the PCAOB will consider when accessing or assessing whether a determination is warranted, the form, publicly available, effective date, and duration of such determinations, and the process by which the board will reaffirm, modify, or vacate any such determinations. They approved this rule today, November 5th, 2021. It will be effective immediately. So on Monday, this will go into effect, and it's in regards to auditing firms that are not in the U.S. So that is basically what this is about. They've been trying to get this pushed all year, and it did get approved today. Should be implemented, ready to go on Monday. So just bring that to your attention. I'll link this below so you can take a read. Have a good one.